Introducing the Beadsmith Bead Reamers and Drills, the ultimate tools for achieving perfect beadwork with precision and ease. Designed for long-lasting performance, these reamers and drills are essential for all your beading projects. Whether you need to enlarge a hole or smooth out rough edges, our bead reamers are ideal, especially for delicate materials like pearls. Simply insert the reamer tip into the bead or pearl, twist back and forth, and periodically check until the desired hole size and smoothness are achieved. Our spiral hand drill is perfect for precision drilling in metal or wax models. It's easy to use. Just pull up and down on the plunger to spin the drill body, mimicking traditional drilling devices. Despite its compact size, this lightweight drill is durable, crafted from brass with a steel chuck and spring, making it reliable for regular use. The Beadsmith Bead Reamers and Drills are perfect for both beginners and experienced artisans, ensuring your beading projects are smooth and enjoyable, delivering precise and flawless results every time.